Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I have filmed a simple scrapbook layout process. I really hope you enjoy it. I have used Simple Stories paper. Here I have taken 3 thin strips and I am just tearing those strips apart so that it will give a toned paper effect, and I really like that. It's really good for all the scrapbook layouts. So once I torn all the paper strips, I tried to figure out how to place all the paper strips, and I decided to place them at equidistance, and then I have just glued them onto the base. So the next step is my favorite one. I really loved these vibrant florals by Simple Stories. It's really beautiful. So I'm trying to figure out how to arrange these florals. I wanted to show the tone effect part of the paper, and on the side of that I'm just keeping all these flowers. I'm just overlapping them. Similarly, you can place all the other floral die cuts adjacent to the paper strips. I was super happy how it turned out. I really liked the way I have arranged all the florals in a vertical line. So since I was happy with the layout, I used a double-sided foam tape to stick the dies onto the paper. So here I have used one of my favorite photo of mine for the scrapbook layout. Again I'm tearing all the 4 sides to give the paper toned effect. After that I have used a double-sided foam tape to stick the photo onto the scrapbook layout. The overall layout kinda looked dreamy for me, so I have used the word dream again from the Simple Stories collection. So using the double-sided foam tape, I have adhered all the letters onto the scrapbook layout. So for the final touch, I have used golden thread, 2 butterfly ephemeras and 2-3 sequins. Hope you all enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please do hit the like button, and also please do subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.